Welcome. In front of me I have some kind of weird dash cam, which apparently is popular. So today I'm gonna go over unboxing and see what's in the box and a little bit, well, look a little bit into this marketing, to be honest. So let's get started. I'm gonna unpack it right now. Here we go. So right off the bat you can see one funny little thing right here. We have 2.7K Ultra HD video. Now if you went to their website, they're basically saying that their resolution is 1990, I think. What was it? Let me quickly check because I still have it open somewhere. So it's 1944p, making it not Ultra HD actually, it's making it below Ultra HD. So this is basically a bogus. Also 2.7K kind of contradicts to already their statement of, what was it, like that it's 2.5 times 1080p. It would be somewhere along those lines if it's 1944, meaning that it's not 2.7K. But anyway, it will be 2.5 if I am correct. I think I am correct. I might be actually wrong. But anyway, it's just kind of nitpicking that resolution. Now, one thing that I also found hilarious is the name here. So it's 70MAI Dashcam Pro Plus Plus, because one plus ain't enough. So anyway, let's just pop it open. It's kind of a funny one. We get some heavy amount of paperwork in here. Got what looks to be a protection. Yep, so we do have a little cover protection for the screen, I believe. Just gonna put that aside. There's two of them, to be honest. So here we go, there's another one. There's also something else in here. It looks like double-sided tape of some sort, so you can, I guess, tape it. And then a manual. Then we get the device itself. So I'm just gonna set it to the side. We'll continue to see what's in the box because it seems like there is more. So here we get, I'm actually not sure what that is. Oh, I think I know what it is. I guess to like adjust it, I think, but whatever. Kind of looks, looking at this, kind of looks like it's broken. I don't think it is, but it just looks funny. Anyway, then in here we got, it looks like a fairly long cable based on the weight of it, and yeah, it looks to be a decent length, to be honest. It's like several meters of it. We also get this little thing, so you can glue it to the windshield, I believe, or something, and you can then clip it on. Oops. So it would go, I believe, like, where is it? There we go, like so. So you can put it on and off. And moving on, there's one last thing in here. Oh, it's a little adapter, so you can put it in your lighter and plug your USB into it. And it looks like, yep, that's about it. I'm just gonna eat that to the side, and let's see. I will use a different cable to plug that in. There we go, so it's booting up apparently. There we go. And there's a quick little setup right here, so oh, it's buttons. It's not a touch screen apparently. Welcome, record. Okay. Okay. There's some app for it. I can actually quickly maybe look at the reviews of the app. So let me quickly launch my QR scanner. Let's continue. Oh, it takes me not to... That's a little bit sketch. So it takes me to their website instead of Google Play Store, which I don't really like, to be perfectly honest. So I'm not even gonna bother. There is no reviews apparently.
Please insert SD card. Abnormal time detected. Please calibrate the time manually.
Okay. Now I do have an SD card. We'll see if it likes it. It's only 8 gigs, so that won't provide much time.
SD card class low. Please replace the card.
Yeah, okay. So I kind of expected this one. It's recording close to 4K, so the typical trash SD card won't work. So yeah, without this, without a decent card, you probably won't be able to record. So you will need a decent SD card that can read and write at reasonable speeds, not like this 8 GB outdated card. And it looks like there's no built-in storage, so you won't be able to use this without SD card, which is a little bit of a shame. Now, unfortunately, it looks like I won't be actually able to go over the device itself because I have almost no way of testing it without a decent SD card right here. So anyway, it also
abnormal time detected. Please calibrate the time manually.
But it does have a built-in battery.
Insert SD card.
Okay. So anyway, that is the device, and I don't really have anything much to say about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.